There's something truly special about the love of Allah. It's a love that embraces us, guides us, and fills our hearts with peace. When you love Allah, you feel a connection that transcends everything. His love is unconditional, always there, even in our toughest times. Every prayer, every moment of gratitude brings us closer to Him, and in return, Allah loves us back endlessly and profoundly. It's a beautiful cycle of love that nourishes our souls. So, let's cherish this divine love and share it with others. Remember, the more we love Allah, the more His love shines upon us.